What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to open a Mazda CX-9 if the key fob dies or if the battery in the CX-9 dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2020 Mazda CX-9 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first thing we need to do is get the emergency key out that's located inside of our smart key. So if we look at the bottom of the key fob, we see this little release right here. Go ahead and push that release and then push up just a little bit on the back of the key fob and it'll slide up. Once we get that back cover off, we can see our emergency key right here. So we'll take that emergency key and in the driver's door, we'll put it in the slot and we're gonna turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock it. And now it's unlocked. So if your battery's dead, you can go ahead and pop the hood and then you'll be able to charge the battery. If your key fob's dead and you need to know how to start the vehicle with a dead key fob, we've covered that in another video and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.